All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to measure for a replacement skylight. There are a lot of things that we can measure on a skylight. For example, you can measure the visible glass on the inside or the outside. You can measure the frame or the exterior of the skylight. But what's really important for us to determine if we can get you a Velux replacement skylight, which is a standard size window, is to get what's called the inside finish. That most commonly will be maybe a drywall finish or trim. So we're going to take a tape measure. If you can safely get up to the skylight, you're going to place the tape measure against the inside finish, again, probably your drywall, and run it all the way across to the other side to pull the measurement. That's going to give us the width of the skylight. Then we're going to do the same exact thing for the length. Place it up against the finished interior dimension, all the way to the top, and then if you provide us with that measurement, we're going to be able to tell you if we're going to be able to get a standard size Velux skylight in there. If you can't, that's okay too. With some simple modifications, we can usually change the size of this opening to accommodate a standard size window. If you're not able to get up to your skylight to measure it, that's okay. Just give us a call at Synergy Skylights, and it's part of what we do on our initial consultation.